I'll help you.
There you are, Miss Beautiful Star. Perfect. This is little Ryan. How old is Ryan now?
19 months.
19 months. And how old was she when she first got adjusted?
5 days.
5 days
Wow.
old. She's a pro. I know, you think so too. Ready, sweetie? Relax, breathe right out. Good. Excellent. I'm going to turn you around your side, kiddo. Face me. There you go. Hi. Talking a lot, huh?
Lots of words that we have no idea what she says.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yay. Hands go on your belly. You saying hi? I know, we're going to do your circles now. Mm-hmm. I love your hair.
She had a pink little thing with it too, but that disappeared somewhere.
She had what?
Had a pink with a white little.
Ready? Set. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good. Perfect. High five. Awesome. Ready? Flip. 1, 2, 3. Go. Awesome. Sit down. Excellent. Come on up, get a big hug. Hugs?
Hugs. Don't give Baba a hug. Yeah. Yeah, Mom's going to be here in 2 minutes.